we all should do. It's only holding hands, but it means so much. We're filling buckets with just a simple touch. Let's be bucket fillers, that's what we all should be. Our bucket is invisible, it's really make-believe. But there's no doubt in what a kind act can do. It makes someone feel good, then comes right back to you. When we're kind, we fill our bucket. When we're nice, we fill yours too. When we help, we fill our bucket. When we smile, we fill yours too. Keep holding hands and sway from side to side. We feel much better now, and we know why. It's only holding hands, but it means so much. We're filling buckets with just a simple touch.